sun at your back, kiss me like that like we did last summer. I don't care what we do, long as I'm with you. Can we take it back, kiss me like that like we did last summer. That summer, that summer, like we did last summer. That summer, that summer, like we did last summer. That summer, that summer, like we did last summer.
Now, the key, the last message. Every day, when we wake up, please remember, don't touch your phone. I don't want to say you love her anymore, but please don't touch your phone when you wake up in the morning. and we are here in this beautiful church, in this very holy place. So for me, I have never talked about religions, regardless of what they talk about Buddhism. It really doesn't matter to us what they say, what people say. But for us, when we practice, we respect all religions. Because to me, all religion teach people how to live, how to be a better person in this society, how to support society, and how to support this country, our country where we live in. So for us to talk on behalf of all the religions, I don't have that knowledge. But I do have one thing that I share along the road. I said, we have different backgrounds, different beliefs, different religions we practice in every day. All reverend, all pastor, all venerable monks, all gurus, all teachers are teaching people how to be good. But in common, after all that, we do have one religion in common.
Happy and peace.
Venerable Dr. Thanath and Miss Reverend Matt Reagan together, and myself. Okay. So.